The question is on the motion that Senator JD Vance be nominated by acclamation. All those in favor signify by saying aye. Aye. All those opposed signify by saying no. In the opinion of the chair, the ayes have it, and the motion is adopted. Without objection, the motion to reconsider is laid upon the table. Delegates and alternates, ladies and gentlemen, I am proud to announce that Senator JD Vance has the overwhelming support of this convention to be the next Vice President of the United States.
Former U.S. President Donald Trump has announced Ohio Senator JD Vance, 39, as his running mate for the 2024 election. Trump made the announcement on Truth Social on the evening of Monday, July 15th. After lengthy deliberation and thought, and considering the tremendous talents of many others, I have decided that the person best suited to assume the position of Vice President of the United States is Senator JD Vance of the great state of Ohio. Trump wrote, JD has had a very successful business career in technology and finance, and now during the campaign will be strongly focused on the people he fought so brilliantly for, the American workers and farmers in Pennsylvania, Michigan, Wisconsin, Ohio, Minnesota, beyond, he added. Vance's selection comes just days after Trump survived an assassination attempt on Saturday. J.D. Vance would be the third youngest vice president in history, following John Breckinridge, 36 years old upon taking office in 1857, and Richard Nixon, 40 years and 11 days in 1953. Vance rose to national prominence with the 2016 publication of his memoir, Hillbilly Elegy. He was elected to the Senate in 2022 and has become a key advocate for the former president's Make America Great Again agenda, particularly on trade, foreign policy, and immigration.